Welcome to the Sales Toolkit, your all-in-one sales command center. Designed for internal and external sales, this landing page brings all the documentation, videos, and resources you need into one central location. It makes it easy to share information with prospective clients, sell faster, and close deals with confidence. At the same time, it's a tool to help you self-learn and stay sharp. The main goal is simple: to centralize everything you need so you can access and share it quickly, saving time and removing guesswork. You can access it anytime at provision-isr.com/salestoolkit. Let's begin at the Model Index, your go-to guide for cracking Provision ISR product codes. It breaks down every character in a model name, covering IP cameras, PTZs, and NVRs, so you can instantly see what each model offers. Not essential, but super valuable. Knowing these codes helps you pick the right models faster, match your customers' needs more accurately, and create quotes with total confidence. Next, let's explore the Provision ISR Digital Catalog, a complete encyclopedia of everything Provision ISR. It's beautifully designed, visually clear, and organized in a logical, easy-to-navigate way. The interactive index lets you quickly jump to the sections you need, whether you're showing it to a customer or referencing it yourself. For example, you can explore the different IP series at a high level, seeing the key strengths and intended applications of each series. Spending a few moments here helps customers understand which series best fits their needs, while also giving salespeople the information they need to recommend solutions accurately and confidently. You can also dive into our analytics, exploring the differences between first and second generation features, discovering all the special capabilities, and seeing which series they're available in, helping customers understand options and helping salespeople answer questions clearly. Want to learn about the iSight series? The catalog lists every camera, along with key specs and features across the series, so customers can compare options easily and salespeople can guide them toward the right solutions. It doesn't stop there. The catalog also includes VMS hardware, from management servers and storage servers to decoders, keyboards, and even case studies. Customers gain a clear understanding of the solutions available, while salespeople have a reliable reference at their fingertips. Having the digital catalog available gives both customers and salespeople instant access to all Provision ISR products and features. Customers can make informed decisions with confidence, and salespeople can respond to questions quickly, present options clearly, and close deals more efficiently. A value-added benefit for any Provision ISR device is brackets, and we've created a simple, interactive bracket matching tool to help you find compatible brackets quickly. On the homepage, you'll see all the different Provision ISR camera housings. Each camera is interactive. Simply click the camera you need a bracket for. For example, if you're looking for a bracket for a dome hybrid light motorized varifocal camera, just click on the model image, and it'll take you straight to all compatible brackets. You'll see wall brackets and their model numbers, junction boxes with their model numbers, as well as ceiling, pole, and corner mount options, if applicable. You can easily return to the homepage by clicking Home at the bottom right. Bracket matching isn't limited to cameras. It's also available for video intercoms. Basically, anything that can be mounted has a matching bracket, and this tool makes it simple to select the right one. If you want a holistic view of the full bracket system, there's a shortcut on the homepage that shows every housing at a glance. The bracket matching tool is an essential resource. It removes guesswork, saves time, and helps you provide the right brackets quickly and frustration-free. Next, let's look at the solutions leaflets. We have a sales leaflet from many of our solutions, and the landing page gives you quick access to all of them. Just click on any listed solution, and the leaflet will open or download instantly. For example, if you select the panoramic solution, you can share it directly with your client, include it in an email, or attach it to a quote, making it fast and easy to provide professional, ready-to-use information. Another handy resource is the Vertical Markets leaflet page. Clicking the link takes you straight to the Vertical Markets webpage, where you can select the specific market and download the PDF to share with your client. It's just another tool that puts Provision ISR sales resources right at your fingertips, making it easier to showcase the right solutions quickly and professionally. Next, we have quick access to videos on our solutions.
Very often, showing a solution visually is much easier than explaining it in words. From the landing page, you can click a quick link to the respective video on YouTube. These videos are perfect to share directly with clients, or you can use them yourself to quickly learn and understand the solution. Having these videos at your fingertips helps you present solutions confidently, demonstrate value instantly, and win client trust faster.
Next is the Sales Outreach Email, a concise, professional email template designed for salespeople or distributors to introduce Provision ISR. The message highlights the brand's key strengths. It's a ready-to-personalize outreach tool that quickly positions Provision ISR as a secure, reliable, and future-proof choice for professional installations, helping reps efficiently build their installer network and start productive sales conversations.
We also provide links to 6 short pre-recorded webinars, which take our 5-hour seminal content and condense it into 10-minute highlight videos. These are perfect to share with customers who want to learn and see in action specific topics in a short time frame. For example, if a client is interested in our VMS solution, you can share the 10-minute video that showcases its day-to-day functionality, as well as its standout features. Customers get a quick, clear understanding, while salespeople save time and can easily demonstrate the value of Provision ISR solutions.
Next, we have quick access to the hard drive calculator. One of the most common questions a salesperson gets is, how long will this record? Or, I need this footage to last for X days. With this interactive tool, you can input camera specifications, encoding types, frame rates, bit rates, and the desired recording time in hours or days. It then calculates the recommended storage required. This is an essential tool for any salesperson or solution architect, helping you design accurate, reliable systems and provide precise quotes quickly and confidently. Finally, stay connected with all the latest Provision ISR news right from the landing page. Salespeople can quickly share our newsletter sign-up and social media links, Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube directly with clients. By doing this, you help your clients stay informed about new products, updates, and innovations, showing that you are a trusted, knowledgeable partner. Sharing these resources keeps conversations engaging, builds confidence in your solutions, and positions Provision ISR as the go-to choice for reliable, up-to-date surveillance technology. Everything you need to strengthen client relationships and stay ahead is just a click away.